Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cursor AI with a database. In this tutorial, we'll specifically use a MySQL database. First, open Cursor AI on your desktop. On the top left, click the extension icon. Then, search for SQL tools. Select this one and click install. After that, you'll see a connect button at the bottom. Go ahead and click it. Then, choose MySQL. Now we'll need several details that we can find in MySQL Workbench. So, open your existing database. At the top, you'll see the connection name. So take note of that. Also, take note of the database name, which is shown here. Now, go back to Cursor AI and type in the connection name and the database name accordingly. Next, go back to MySQL database and close your project. Right-click on it and select Edit. Through this, you'll be able to see the other details we need. Take note of the username and enter it in Cursor. After that, return to MySQL Workbench and click Test Connection. Type the password you used when creating your database, then click OK. Once that connection is confirmed, go back to Cursor. Test the connection there as well, then allow it. It will ask for your database password, just type it in. When it successfully connects, go ahead and save the connection. Then, click Connect Now. And there you have it. Your MySQL database is now successfully connected to Cursor AI. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.